How to enable cookies in Google Chrome on Windows 10 or 11. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable cookies in Google Chrome on Windows 10 or 11. In order to do so, first of all, open your Google Chrome web browser on your device. You will land on this home page. Here at the top right of your screen, you'll be able to see three dot icon. Simply click on it and then a pop-up or the side menu will appear. Now here you will need to scroll a bit down and at the very bottom you'll be able to locate the settings icon represented by a gear icon. Simply click on it and this will take you to the settings page of Chrome. Now from the left side of this page, you will need to select privacy and security option. Once you click on it, you will be presented with this interface on your screen. Now under this privacy and security, you will need to find the site settings option. Once you find it, simply click on it and now in the site settings, you will need to scroll down until you locate this content section. Now from here, you will need to choose third-party cookies, which are currently blocked. Simply click on this option and inside it, here look for allow third-party cookies. Once you find this option, simply click on the circle ahead of this option and then you'll be able to allow cookies now. Once after doing that, you can simply come back to the previous page. The changes will take effect immediately without saving. Now you have successfully enabled cookies in Google Chrome on your Windows 10 or 11. So this is how you can enable cookies in Google Chrome on your Windows 10 or 11. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.